Many women who went just for logistical sport in Battle of Uhud, logistical sport, like they will give some food or water or medicine, or they will just give some arrows or some other things. So they just went as behind the scenes or behind the lines just to support the nursing and looking after. But when the battle turned the side, when the Muslims were in danger, Rasulullah ﷺ himself was in danger, these women actually took up swords, especially namely Rasulullah ﷺ praised one of the female companions very much, Sayyidah Nusayba, her name was blessed name, radiyallahu ta'ala anha. This is actually courage and also, as you said, a natural talent and also strength of iman as well. That when she was there for logistical support. But when she saw that Prophet ﷺ is in danger, Muslims have been killed, martyred, Sayyidina Hamza radiallahu ta'ala anhu was killed, she actually took the sword and actually and fought and injured about 12 kuffar. And he said the most of her body was bleeding. And Rasulullah ﷺ, she was practically around the Prophet ﷺ defending him at that time. Because there was no other many companions, some were martyred, some were on the other side, only 6, 7 companions, 8 companions remained around him, and she was one of them. Being a woman, it was her iman, it was her courage, or whatever she could do. So obviously she was woman, but the kuffar didn't give her any benefit or anything, oh she's woman, whatever. They fought in the same way. So she managed to defend the Prophet ﷺ 12. And the Prophet ﷺ said about her that she fought better than her male companions.